Hey guys, in today's video I want to teach you 4 connector words in Spanish. Number 1, before, which means antes. For example, if you want to say, I will let you know before I go, you'd say, te dejaré saber antes que me vaya. Number 2, after, which means después. For example, I'll see you after work. Te veré después del trabajo. Number 3, unless, which means a menos que. For example, you don't have to go unless you want to. No tienes que ir a menos que tú quieras. And last but not least, however, which means como sea. For example, however you want. Como sea que tú quieras. So if you want more videos like this video, share and follow me.